Let's look at Chapter 10, Lesson 3 Extension. Use your deck of attribute cards to follow these steps and answer each question. What portion of the cards are striped blue? I know that 3 out of the 12 cards would be striped blue. If you draw one card, but what is the probability that it will be striped blue? And I know that it's going to be 3/12, but I need to reduce that down. I can reduce the fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 is going to be 1, and 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. The probability would be 1/4. Remove the solid blue triangle from the deck and put it aside. So when you think about numbers 3 and 4, remember not to include the solid blue triangle. So it looks like I'm going to be down to 11 cards. What portion of the remaining cards are striped blue? Well, I know that there's still 3 cards, but it's 3 out of 11 cards. If you draw one card now, what is the probability that it will be striped blue? And I know that that would be 3/11. Now I am not going to be able to reduce this fraction. It's already in lowest terms. Now I'm going to remove the green striped parallelogram and the solid green trapezoid and put them to the side. So from 11, I'm going to be down 2 more cards, which would put me at 9 cards. Now what portion of cards are striped blue? Well, I didn't remove any of the striped blue ones, so it's still 3, but it's going to be out of 9 cards. If you draw one card now, what's the probability that it will be striped blue? And I know it's going to be 3/9, but I need to reduce this fraction. And I know that 3 can be divided by 3 one time, and 9 can be divided by 3 times, so it would be 1/3. Which is more likely, drawing a striped blue card from the deck as it is now, or drawing a striped blue card from the full deck you started with? The full deck that I started with was 1/4, and now my chances are 1/3. I can compare these fractions by using the arrow method. 4 times 1 is 4, or 3 times 1 is 3. And I know that 1/3 is higher, which gives me a greater chance. I could also see this visually if I had a candy bar, and I'm going to draw it out where I would have 4 equal pieces versus 3 equal pieces. And you could see that you would want one of the 1/3 rather than 1/4. 1/3 is going to be better to draw from, which means that you're going to want to draw from the new deck.